Hello and welcome. As you can see, Miss Fatima is sporting her credit card, so that means she's done some shopping. She got some facial masks, thus I am looking a little pale. So let's see what things that she acquired while she was shopping at Tony Moly. This is the mask that Anne is wearing today. It is from a box of 13 that I purchased. This one has brightening powers to it. This is the MasterLab Intensive Brightening Vitamin C Solution, Real Vitamin C. It says vitamin C on here more times than I can count. Main effect, brightening effect, skin fit sheet, water essence, highly absorbing, skin-friendly mask with excellent effects. And there was plenty of extra serum in here. I've got it stuffed with 2 cotton squares, so when I'm done, I can use it in other places that might need a little brightening, or I can share it with me or with Jeff. So that was one of the 13 in the box that we will show you in a minute. I also got something for the hoof. I got 2 foot masks. I don't know if they really fit a hoof, but Anne and Jeff can enjoy them. These are lovely, I'm lovely, candy cane foot mask. And does it tell us anything else about it? It just shows you on the back how to apply it. And one thing I've noticed about all of the masks is at the bottom, it is crimped in with an expiration date, and the expiration dates appear to be 2027. So that's very nice to know that there is time to use them if you don't use them right away. We turned the ring light off so we don't blind you. This is the box of 13 that I purchased. So you get 13 masks. It indicated that it was a $25 product with a $45 value, and it has face masks and it has under eye masks. All you need mask set, an array of best-selling masks, find a treatment for any skin concern, suitable for all skin types. So let's see what it had in it. I might even try one. We start with 3 under eye patches. Moisture Boost Cooling Hydrogel Eye Patch. I think that's a whale. And Wonder Ceramide Collagen. I think that's a Squishmallow, or is it a Happy Face? I'm not sure. And then the third one I think was just too cute. It's a pumpkin that they called Plumpkin for retinol. That is too stinking cute, a plumpkin. We have Vitalizing Rose. Oh, that should smell nice. I'm Charcoal for Fur Care. I'm Coffee for Depuffing. I'm Honey for Nourishing. I'm Lavender for Hydrating. And knowing that I don't like lavender, this one is going to get passed along. Brightening, I'm Cherry Blossom. It's going to be hard to pick which one I want to try. I'm Aloe for Moisturizing. This would be a good one to save for the summertime in case you get a little bit of a sunburn. This could be helpful. Oh yes, it could. MasterLab Intense Hydrating for Hyaluronic Acid. MasterLab Intense Collagen. Masterlab Intense Elasticity with Collagen. Oh, that's the way it is. And then the one that Anna's wearing today, the Vitamin C Masterlab for Brightening. And a quick look at the nitty-gritty. The foot masks were $5.50 each. And then the set of 13 masks was $25 with a $45 retail value. And I did peek around on their website a little bit trying to see if it was accurate with $45, and it is. Different masks cost different prices, yet it came out to the $45 range, so you get what is promised to you. That's good to know. And like I said, there was plenty of extra serum in there that I have 2 cotton squares in there holding onto the serum so it doesn't leak out. This dried a little faster than I thought, so maybe I squeezed out a little too much serum when I was squishing it out of the wrapper. I don't know, but again, all of the masks do have a expiration date stamped in at the bottom, and I believe it's 2027. So, for the most part, this did stay in place nicely. Granted, the chin got a little floppy, but we're sitting here talking, so that is to be expected. I noticed it was a little tight under my eye area, and I was trying to scoot that down when I first applied it because I didn't want it to get into my eye. But other than that, I think it fit well, fit nicely, stayed put. I may have squeezed out a little too much of the serum trying to get it out of the wrapper. Sometimes it's hard to get those things out. They just are so wet and ooey gooey. Yes, that's a good way to describe it. Okay, here we go for the big reveal. Oh, I don't like this. This is like she's pulling off her layer of skin. Yuck. There we are. Yes, it is moist in some spots, but others are pretty well dry. So whether that was the mask itself or did I squeeze out too much serum, could go either way. I feel slightly tacky. Okay, so Anne has given it a minute or two here to just let it sit and air evaporate. And the tacky layer has decreased immensely. I can still feel it a little bit, but it is still absorbing into the skin. So all things considered, I think that was a good mask. I would give it 3.5 to 4 stars. That's a pretty good ranking. Yeah, I think, I want to say that's the first one I've tried of that brand, but I could be mistaken. I've tried several over the years and I've gotten a little forgetful as to what I've tried. Thanks for watching today. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and all that kind of stuff. Have you tried any of these? Let us know down below, because I'm an inquiring camel. Hope to see you in another video. Thanks for watching.